Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the chat. You're tuned into the Market Beast Napoleon Macro. Quick update on the last pattern that we found. I think we found the actual pattern, believe it or not. This may blow your mind. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only go over price action and pattern, support, and resistance. Okay, so we're going to dive into that right now. So let's not waste time and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's June the 16th, 2021, and the current price of AMC is going to be $55.03. It's slightly negative, approximately 6.7% for the day. Okay, let's go ahead and reveal this potential pattern here. I think it's accurate. Okay, perfect. So yeah, notice this first daily candle, this green candle actually pushed through. We explained this on the last video that if you get that push through, that kind of whiplash effect, and it comes back down, you got to be careful for those. Guys, I didn't move any lines. You see that was perfect. As the market found resistance at that descending line within, I think we can call this an actual bull flag at this point. I don't think it's potential, at least so far, right? Let's actually give it another 48 hours because obviously AMC is very bullish. And on the next candle, maybe it can do something similar to this effect on this candle here, right? That on June the 15th, like if it does something like that, or maybe on the next try, it'll actually break through. What we're looking for is an actual breakthrough, and it actually stays above that level and then continues higher. We've already given you guys our the measured target out of the bull flag. But remember, we got to kind of scratch that target out because it must break out first. And then you should expect to see the target at least attempt to reach it overhead. It was like $100 and something. But I truly think that if we're patient, then you will eventually see these price targets. But for those of you who are just kind of waiting for it to happen, maybe tomorrow, maybe it will. But I think the likelihood of it is fair. Okay, let's let the market actually break out. It's within a pattern. I think it's within this. It's a descending channel. It's a descending channel, technically speaking, but it's also can be referred to as a bull flag. Okay, the buyers are obviously stepping in as I'm looking at the price action here. You'll notice from the lower shadows, every time you see lower shadows below the candle, just simply means the buyers are pushing the price up. So although we did say that there could be potential of a retracement this week, I'm not sure if it's going to continue. What I will do is something like this and put like a mean average line in between the two support and resistance level within this pattern. So if it does continue down, if you see like maybe like a $47 AMC, that wouldn't be out of the ordinary for me, just because, you know, it's kind of a mean average line in between this pattern here. And also that actually aligns with the gap that we explained on the last video with if you see the daily candles here, I mean, gaps don't always get filled 100% of the time, just so we're clear about that. But it was just something that I said is noteworthy. Okay, so $47. If tomorrow you see the price of AMC above the $59 or $60 level, same thing applies. Okay, be careful for the whiplashes. If it pushes up and it closes back within this pattern, that means towards the end of the day. And if it actually closes below like $59 or $58, but it does push higher, that just simply means the same thing that took place on this red circle is taking place again. The buyers are relentless, guys. It's obvious. Every single time the market goes down into the red, the buyers are stepping in here. And again, it's pretty obvious here looking at the candles. Okay, so you should have everything. 47 as a potential lower retracement, 59 up to $60 tomorrow if the buyers are truly going to push this price and not let the sellers attempt to close those short positions that they're underwater in right now. So that's all I have for you guys. We'll give you an update ever so often, maybe 24 up to 48 hours on this. I'm going to say bull flag. I don't think it's potential. I think it's an interesting bull flag. But let's let it play out. Thanks for your time, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the investors so that they can potentially see this flag here. Also, if you're new, we go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it's available. Once again, thanks for stopping out, guys. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.